Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk has tried today to push above this descending trend line we've been watching, but failed, okay? It could not generate an, let's call it a sustained breakout to the upside, at least not yet. Maybe it plans to do that still. To me, I mean, this could be a micro 5-wave move to the upside, something I'm observing on the Bitcoin chart as well. But obviously, then to get some successful upside follow through, the market now needs to start to show again some upside momentum, and a break above the last high, which was, well, formed today here at around 190,870 would be needed for a first indication that we're pushing higher in wave 3. It's not the cleanest 5-wave move to the upside, I have to say. Would have preferred maybe one more high, so one more higher low and one more higher high. But okay, you know, these microstructures, this extremely micro, they are sometimes just ugly. Okay, so what we're dealing with here is in the white wave count, which is the bullish scenario, a possible 5-wave pattern to the upside into the 7th of August high, a 3-wave corrective pullback into the 19th of August low, and then possibly now a 3rd wave rally to the upside that could start from here. Am I skeptical? Yes. You know, if we consider the wider sector, the broader market, then we recognize that Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're just moving in sideways ranges without a clear decision. And obviously, more or less, Bonk should relate to that to a degree. Yeah? So I am skeptical. The good news is we had a nice bounce from the 5th of August low, and the pullback is entirely corrective. So it does look at the moment like a 3-wave move. We have some overlapping price action in there. And the structure of the decline looks completely different to the structure of the rally. So you see quite an aggressive move up and a corrective and choppy pullback. So we're also holding the support area at the moment, which is relevant for the white scenario. So support is between 191,988 and 167,309. And from here, the market could turn around to the upside, but would need to give us some upside momentum to confirm it further. And what am I watching for now? So obviously the 167,309 level down here, the 78.6 retracement of the initial rally, that's the pivot between a rally in a 3rd wave and a move down to new lows and a test of the lower support region, which would mean the entire setup that built from the 5th of August to the high of the 7th of August and now the pullback needs to be formed again. Because any lower low will invalidate this 1-2 setup. Already below 167,309, the 1-2 setup will become less likely, and a break below that 5th of August low will be the invalidation point, obviously. Yeah? So it's just that below the 78.6 fib level, invalidation will become more likely. So we'll see if Bonk can recover from here. I'm absolutely, you know, recognizing the possibility this could be like a tiny micro 5-wave move up, which would be wave 1 of this 3rd wave, or maybe even a smaller wave degree. Important is a break above today's high, and then also a break above the white wave 1 high at 218,580. So it's looking not too bad. I mean, it is certainly favorable from a reward to risk ratio point of view for a long trade. That doesn't mean you should take a long trade. That will depend on your own, you know, profile, risk profile, trading strategy, and so on. But I can only share with you the support zones where the price should react if this indeed is a wave 2 pullback with a 3rd wave to come. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.